It's me from the channel. GBP JPY climbs back to 200 numbers. It remains close to over 1 year peak touched last week. So we have seen a very strong move in the cable during the last week. We've seen it climb back above 1,3700. In fact, it touched a high of 1,3762 last week, which was the highest level since March 2022. And today it is consolidating those gains. It is trading at around 1,3742 levels, which is about 200 points swarmed against the Japanese yen. So how are we looking technically? Well, as you can see, there was a very strong uptrend that took place during the last week. The market went from 1,3400 levels and went up to 1,3762 levels. During this uptrend, we saw a lot of bullish momentum, and that resulted in a strong bullish engulfing candle. Now, if you see the next day, the market did correct a bit. It came down from 1,3762 levels to 1,3600 levels, but it is still holding above the previous day's high. So technically speaking, as long as the market holds above 1,3680 levels, the short-term bias would remain bullish. Immediate resistance is at 1,3780 levels, which is the swing high. If that level is broken, then we could see a further upside towards 1,3820 levels. On the other hand, immediate support is at 1,3720 levels. If that breaks, then we could see a move towards 1,3700 levels. Overall, the sentiment for the pound remains positive mainly because of two reasons. Number one, the UK economy has been showing some resilience despite all the chaos that has been going on in the UK. And number two, the Bank of England has been signaling more rate hikes. In fact, the markets are currently pricing in a greater than 50% chance of a 150 basis point hike in the next meeting. On the other hand, the Japanese yen is coming under pressure mainly because the Bank of Japan is maintaining its ultra-loose monetary policy while other central banks are hiking rates. So as long as this differential in the monetary policies continue, we could see more weakness in the Japanese yen, and that could push the GBP-JPY pair higher. That's all for now. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so and also press the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos.